If you're watching from the Philippines, shout out to you. How's your day going? I'm checking out SB19 X Glock 9. I have never heard of Glock 9. I googled him and I saw that he is a Filipino rapper and singer. This is my first time hearing of him. I have not seen this performance, neither have I heard this song. Just want to translate and see what the title means, which I have not yet. Oh, okay.
Sumayaw ka.
You dance.
Sumayaw ka.
Okay. Let's check this out. If you're a big fan of SB19, you want to see more reactions, make sure to smash like and subscribe. Let's go.
Tulad ng susunod nating makakasama.
There are no subtitles here, but I'll just listen like that.
Ay, meron. Ito, super excited kayo dito, 18, and lalong-lalo na kami. Excited ba kayo for the next number? Parang mahina. Excited ba kayo? Excited ba kayo?
Gusto ko lahat sasayaw, ah. Okay, sasayaw kayo, ah.
Excited na ba kayong makisayaw?
Simula sa
Nah. Surprising way for the song to start, in my opinion. Is that still rapping like that? Or am I singing wrongly? I'm just surprised at the speed they're rapping at and the choreography. I'm assuming this is Glock 9. Because he's what? He's 46? Yeah, he looks way older than everyone. Stel can rap that fast. You know, I only thought like Pablo is like the best rapper here. Stel can move that quickly. Does Stel not realize by doing that he is going to make these girls go crazy? Why do I get the sense that like everyone in SB19 can rap really well? I only thought like Pablo was like the really good rapper, but wow. the song is moving at such a breakneck speed. Wow! The choreography. The choreography. Hey! The choreography is just insane, especially performed as a group. Madness. Wow. What they just did right now with the way they were like Pablo, Stel, Glock 9, Pablo. Hey.
Everyone, make some noise for
The camera is so far back, but I'm assuming the person with the sleeveless is Stel.
Grabe, pangarap ko to yung mag-rap sa Araneta. Kasama pa si Sir Glock 9. Grabe. Sir Glock. Drake ko ang tatanong ko.
Maraming salamat, Aiden! Alam niyo, Sir Glock, hindi ko matatanong si Stel. Yung come on everybody sa akin ay sumabay sama-sama sumayaw, taas ang mga kamay. Lagi niya po kinakanta yun tuwing rehearsals namin.
Bata pa lang po ako, pinakakanta ko na yun. Naku. Alam mo, sumasobra na kayo, eh. Grabe na nga yung lineup natin, nagre-request ba kayo ng isa pa? Sir Glock, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, SB19, maraming salamat, thank you so much!
Grabe!
Yun, at sana buhay hindi pa ito muli. Siyempre, Sir Glock, maraming salamat po sa pagkakataon na mag-perform tayo together.
I know they were speaking in Filipino and I don't have subtitles, but I was just like, I was absorbing just how fast and intense that performance was. Wow. That was amazing. Good God. I should go look for like a official recording of that song. I've never heard it. What you just watched right now is my first time hearing that and seeing that performed live. I had not heard it. Anyway, if you've enjoyed my reaction, you should smash like and subscribe. I have a full playlist of like SB19 reactions. I really like Stel, Pablo, and Ken. Those three are my top members. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.